are going to do the marblings with encapsulating tiny cute pumpkins and a baby ghost, I think. Super cute one. So I'm just move this on the smaller jar so it's easy for all of you seeing it, because sometimes it take a whole entire space to put 1 or 2 jars in there. So I'm gonna pick yellow, just a little bit yellow, about 70% of yellow and 30% of orange. You can do a darker orange, you can do it lighter, it doesn't matter. And you can do a smaller bead first. We're gonna do ombre, or you can do whole nails. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. You pick the way you want it. Go into the second beads. So there's so many different ways to do the marbling. That is one of the way I share with you. Hope everyone have a great day. Just a little bit of orange on this one. Hi Facebook and hi Instagram. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so then now it's still wet. I am going to using my pickers. I put this. So this is 2 tiny pumpkin. And I'm gonna add some really cool exclusive glitter from Glitz and add it on. It doesn't look anything right now because it looks like a blending in it, but when you start coating it in top coat, it's so dramatic. I kind of like it like this, like whole nails instead of marbling ombre. So if you don't want to be like ombre nails, you can absolutely do whole entire nails with this if you want to. So let's try the ombre with the nude and see how it turn out. Pick up my pearl. Oh, thanks so much, Laurie. I loved it. It's so soft. You can even doing it with liquid gunpowder, or you can do it with your gel polish, poly gels. Do it just right on the top, just above of the marbling a little bit. Clean that one. Hey Tony, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in on Facebook. And the second beat, I'm gonna do it like closer to cuticles, so then you can able to make it really nice and flawless on the cuticles. Hey Cece. Hey, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in today, everyone. You happy with this? We're gonna cap this clear right there. You can put some flecky foil on it too. It's gonna look really cool as well. Yep, I'm encapsulating this pumpkin. You don't want to encapsulating her, you can absolutely do it on the top as a charm. Do another bead. Hi Ilo. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in, love. Hello, hello Instagram. Sorry if I don't get to see your comments. When I look it up and usually the comment is just I already miss it. So but thank you so much for tuning in. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Hey, nailed it. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Cushio. Hey, Mama Vic. Dang, if I miss anyone, let me know. So as I said, for all of you just tuning in, if you don't want encapsulating super cute pumpkin, leave it alone. You can just do it as the charms on the top. This is super cute in a smaller size, so it fits perfect on the nails. You can do it either way you want. You can encapsulating, you can do it the charms, you can using any however way you would like. You can using it for the poly gels, you can use it for liquid and powder, hard gel, anything you're thinking of. Or if you don't want ombre, absolutely you can just do marbling on all entire the nails and put your pumpkin all the way up. Okay, let me let this one on the side to set, and then we'll move on to the next nails. I'm so excited because this one, it will be, we're gonna put pumpkin on the top of that too. Put it on the side. And let's do the second nails. Orange crystal. So let's do some ombre, like solid ombre. For a lot of you were asking questions for solid ombre. Let's do this two together. And I'm gonna put